Well, usually these birds will roll up on me, but I'm rolling up on them, literally, you know, what's up? So, these birds are really pretty. They just hanging out, chilling, you know, doing their thing, and I roll up on them. What's up, you know? Look at this big one right here. How pretty is it? That thing on the head. Now this white one, it might be. I want to say it's a white ibis, but the what do you call that thing? The how can I? The beak thing is not really all that long. Pretty park, right? I heard what these things are. Like they're not turkeys, but they're something else. Like Egyptian, yeah, Egyptian things. Um. Well, anyway, we out.